as you've seen the other day, we revealed our MBRP race exhaust for Clifford, and just one more time, look at that thing, man. That spoiler, man, just made the whole car just. Anyway, we're on to bigger, better things. We've got the MBRP exhaust here. Got the H pipe, the resonators, the mid pipes, all 4 tips. And I'm stoked, man. I'm ready to get this thing put in. What about you? You ready for it, Jacob?
Yeah, man.
Yeah, that's what I wanted to hear. Now, I think this is a perfect time to drop this. We're gonna go ahead and say this now. We are figuring out a way to, because if you've watched our videos, you've probably watched us put an H pipe on this car. Well, I don't want it to go to waste. Everybody that I know that currently that has S550, which would just be Sam, Ruby's girlfriend, already has an H pipe on it. So what we figured we would do is have our first ever giveaway. Now we're trying to figure out how we're going to do it. And probably the best thing to do is follow us on Instagram at aftermath.garage. If you don't mind, throw that up right here, Jacob. Follow us there. We're going to figure out how to do this. I don't know if we're going to do an Instagram post or if we're going to do, post on YouTube. You have to subscribe, blah, 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 blah. But if you're an S550 owner and you still have a stock exhaust, we've got an H pipe to go to. What are you saying? 2,500 subscribers?
Yeah.
Yeah, I'll tell you what, that's not a bad idea. And I hate to bribe you guys, but if we can get up to 2,500 subscribers, by when? Because it's July.
End of the year.
End of the year?
Yeah.
Guys, and that's probably the way we're going to work this, and I think this is the way we're going to work it. Subscribe, get 2 of your friends to subscribe. That's going to get you entered in. We're going to figure out a way for you to let us know, and then we have a generator that we're going to put that into and generate the winner. Because I'm not going to scroll through and say, oh yeah, you're the winner. There's generators for that. So the H pipe is up, and also we'll do a double giveaway. If you have a stock S550 without a wing, I know some of the Eco Boosts don't come with them, and you just want a stock one, I mean, this is the OE one. There's nothing wrong with it. Just a little dirty where we took it off. I still have the nuts to go on it. If you want to get this as well, I mean, I don't know who would really want this, but go hit us up on Instagram. Aftermath.garage. Throw it up again, Jacob. Right there. Right here. Okay. So, the H pipe is the big deal. We're going to give that away. Like I said, subscribe. Get 2 of your friends to subscribe. And also hit us up on Instagram and show us your car. Show us your S550. I want to see what these things look like, man. Because I've really fell in love with my car. I didn't like them at first. The 15 to 17 were kind of the. To me, it looked like an oversized V8 Ford Fusion that was a 2-door. Now, there's a lot of people who don't like this front end. But I tell you, my next car will be a GT500. I've said this, S550, and the first thing I'm doing is changing the front end to this one. So, hate me if you want. But, we're going to get on into this. We're going to get this car tore apart. It's late. We got a early start late in the day. Is that how they say that? I don't know how they say that. But, really, it's about a 30-minute job tearing the old exhaust out, putting the new one in. So, I mean, it's not going to take as long to get this done.
What do you need to do it?
Oh, man, I'm going to have to remember. I know it's a 15mm socket, ratchet, or I use a 3/8 impact gun to get them off. And I cannot remember what the back bolts are. I think they're 15, or there may be a 14 on the rear hangers. Right at the rear independent sub suspension. All you gotta do is take those 2 bolts out, the 4 bolts right there at the end of your what I call the cap down pipe, where this will tie in. There's 2 bolts on each clamp. They're both 15 millimeter. Take your 2, I believe it's 14 in the back. If not, we'll throw that up here, or I'll show you when we go take it off. Take those 2 bolts out, push the exhaust forward, drop the rear hangers, which are right here, and voila, pull the exhaust out, you're done. I mean, it's literally a 10-15 minute job getting this exhaust out. So, you ready to get started on this thing?
Yeah, man.
I'm ready to hear what it sounds like. You guys have seen the before. Jacob, you'll throw the before. Probably best thing to do is still it off the H-pipe video. The before with the stock resonator, and guys, we are going to cut that open. I promise you. We still have it sitting over here. We are going to do a video on that. That'd be a funny what's in the box, huh? It's a box. It's just a metal box.
Yeah.
Right.
Yeah, 4 holes in it.
Yeah. Why not? That's how we'll do it. We'll just do a what's in the box and that, cut it open. So we're gonna get this going, man. You ready?
Yeah, man.
Yeah, man. I guess that's our new saying besides dream big is yeah, man. Also, I'm gonna throw this out here real quick, and I hate to do this because I've actually got in touch with a couple other YouTubers and they will not get in touch with me. Go figure, right? You know, I answer everything that comes through. If you got a question, I do answer them. Jacob, I don't know if you've answered anything yet, but I pay a lot of attention to our stuff. So, if anybody out there knows a t-shirt company, please let us know, because we're looking for one.
Yeah, man.
we want the merch. We want to give you guys something, man. I mean, I do have some people that are really wanting to rock these shirts, and well, these are ours. The actual production will be a little bit lower and different, so. But we're gonna get this stuff knocked out. So drop your suggestions down below if you know some people, and let's get started, dude. I'm ready. I want to hear this thing. It's gonna be massive. Let's get it done. We'll be right back, guys. All right, guys, that wraps up the exhaust. Now, all the clamps are 15 millimeter, and I was wrong on the hangers. They're 13 millimeter. And once you get it all hung, you just got to adjust it, get it set right. Now, we're about to put it on the ground and do a cold start, and probably wake up half the neighborhood.
Yeah, man.
So, because it's after midnight, so
Let's do it.
let's make some people mad. We'll be right back.
Let me get the keys. You ready?
Yep. Here we go, guys. Yeah, that's gonna make some
1800.
All right, guys. So you're gonna get some daytime footage. Turn around, Jacob. Show them what we're dealing with right now. Yeah, see, it's like 12:30 at night. We're probably pissed off everybody in the neighborhood and all up and down the road behind us.
We don't care.
Yeah, we don't care. So, yeah, that's part of being a Mustang owner. We're loud and obnoxious at times. So, guys, if you like this video, please hit the subscribe button. Like I said, we get up to 2,500. I say really, I mean, end of the year is feasible.
Yeah.
If we get 2,500 subscribers, we will give that H-pipe right there away.
Hanging on to that. And the wing over there, the mess.
Yeah, the mess table, we clean up and then we have stuff like this come in.
And it's all a mess again.
What's in the box, baby? So, we hope you guys enjoy the new What's in the Box stuff. I mean, some of them are going to be short, some of them are going to be long. Who knows? Like, we got a What's in the Box right there, too. I didn't even think about that. Hey, quick clip. Just a snippet. That is something for Mr. Barney himself. But guys, if you like it, man, hit that subscribe button. Hit it big time. Get your friends into it. Like I said, if you're an S550 owner, we are going to give away these two parts. Now, they're going to be separate. They're not going to be together. I think the newfound torque in the car kind of knocked the eyelash loose. So, go follow us on Instagram. Right there, Jacob, if you can. Once again, please. Aftermath.garage. Go follow us on Instagram. Hit us up there. And follow us there because, like I said, 2,500 subscribers. If you can get, if you're an S550 owner and you get 2 of your friends to subscribe, I guess we'll do a screenshot or something. Put it on our Instagram page. That'll enter you in to win.
Yeah, or tag us in a post.
Yeah, that too. Also, go follow us on TikTok. We're on TikTok too, man. Good old Aftermath Garage.
Yeah, man.
Real quick, I got one question for you. What do you think?
Like you said, it's loud and obnoxious. But it's perfect.
It's perfect. So guys, if you like the wing install, the What's in the Box on the wing, the exhaust, and then the exhaust install, smash some like buttons, subscribe, share our videos, get us out there. And one thing we love to say, because we do it here, we do it every day.
Yeah, man.
Dream big. Don't stop dreaming big. Make this a movement. Get it out there. You know, what else can we ask for, man?
Yeah, man.
You dream big, things happen. I've been dreaming big for 25 years. It took me 25 years to get a brand new Mustang, and I'm happy.
It happened.
So, guys, once again, we love you. Thank you so much for watching, and enjoy the. Was the goofy clip in this one, or was it in the wing video?
Yes. No. Oh,
it was in the wing video. Go ahead and put it back in here too. Why
yeah.
not?
Why not?
Yeah. Me being goofy and dancing for whatever. I can't dance, so hope y'all have fun with that one. We love you guys. Until next time, dream big.